Shalom, shalom, people. What it is? Day one, baby. Day one. It's about 5:30 right now. About head to the dang, it's 5:53. I woke up before 5:30. It's 5:53. Might head to the gym. I gonna knock it. I got a gym that all I gotta do is just buzz in, man. 24 hours. So that's what I'm about to do. Since the first day, you gotta go hard to go home. Most of the time, most of the week, I'm out of town. And I'm gonna hit the part that I feel like is hardest to get while you're out of town. Not hardest, but I want to get the way I want to get it. So I'm gonna hit legs today. Chest, I can do that in the room. Really, it might be tricep bicep. Tricep bicep might be the hardest to do. What y'all think? Well, I already got my leg attached, so I'm doing legs. Forget it. Tricep bicep, I can find something to do. Every hotel usually has some dumbbells, so that's easy. So that's what it is, y'all. Boy, look at this. Ain't nobody here. I love this gym though. I love this gym because nobody don't be here. Everybody come like times like this. They come at their own time. Gym, one person in there though. It's a little smaller gym. It's a bigger one, but I like the small one they have, right? Yeah. Yeah, y'all. It's time. Day one. About to show out. We gonna murder these legs today. I'm gonna tell you straight up. Ain't no mercy, Orlando. Orlando ain't no mercy. We gonna tear it up. Hey, we might as well go ahead and get that demon out of you. First day. Out of me. Gonna go ahead and just do it like that. Some people gonna say, nah, I ain't gonna go too hard. Nah, I'm going hard. First day, get it out of me. But, I never really stopped working out. So it ain't no thing. Now, what I did stop was the consistency. The healthy eating. I stopped that. Certain things, your diet, how you eating carbs, all that calories, counting your macros, all of that. I wasn't doing that. But we back, baby. February 21st, I'm coming. I would not feel. Remember, I said that. Tell you what, we got the holidays. They say, some people say, why would you start the holidays? I don't celebrate Christmas. Somebody gonna say, why you don't celebrate Christmas? It's about Jesus. No, it's not. I know I have my reasons why I don't. Those who know. Those who understand, overstand. Not understand. It's deep. It's deep. But I don't celebrate Christmas. We ain't gonna get into that, guys. You know what I mean? Let's go murder this gym. quite know how to use this machine. I know it's hamstrings. It's weird. It's not well. I know how to use it, but it's not made for tall people. But we're gonna make it work. What's going on right here, brother? Daylight, y'all. I came here dark. It's daylight. What you doing? Come on. What you doing? Did you get up and get better today? Shalom, shalom. What's up, people? It's your boy Landon. I am the man, though. Hey, check this out. Workout is done. Workout is done, and what can I say about my workout? My workout was good, man. It was leg. I feel like I wanted more time. I didn't get as much time as I wanted to. Leg is one of them things that I tend to go in on. I probably would have went over 45 minutes, but because today is the day I go to church, I had to cut it short because I got to be church at a certain time. So I had to cut it short, but yeah, man, I'm liking this. What time is it? 7:30? 7:30, gotta go get ready. Go to church, you know what I mean? I had some more stuff to say to y'all. I'm sorry, I forgot what I was about to say. I had a lot of stuff to say. But oh yeah, let's talk about this whole 75 hard, right? So, of course, we're gonna do the 45 minutes outside minimum and 45 minutes. You know, 2 workouts a day, of course, I'm gonna do that. No alcohol, I don't drink anyway, it's easy. Read 10 pages a day. Now check this out, what I'm doing with 10 pages a day. The first book I'm reading, it's a book that I've referred to a million people, but to be honest, I've never read it. I've never read it. So the book is probably gonna be done the first day. It's probably maybe 2 days. It's called Hung by the Tongue. Pretty much watching what you say, watch how you talk, stuff like that. So much people have told me about that book. When I was part of a network marketing crew, they lived by that book. Network marketing. I was doing network marketing. But so that's gonna be the first book. I've referred that book to many people. I even bought the book for people. I bought that book. I've bought at least 10 copies and handed out. I give it to the youth, the youngins. I gave 1, 2, 3. All 3 of my nieces, they got a copy. I gave one of my mentee one. What else did I give? I gave a couple people one. Because I know we know about this tongue right here. There's a good book to tell you about the tongue. So yeah, that's what I'm reading. As far as diet, I'm definitely I'm gonna try to keep a low carb diet, right? Big no. This is my diet. You don't have to do this. Big no rice. February 21st. I went in last night, I ate some rice. Start the day though. No bread. No bread. Period. Now, I can't eat a wrap. It's not too much different. The reason I'm cutting rice and cutting bread is because it's more, I will eat that more. It's easier to get to that. Right? It might be other carbs that's higher than those, but it's not something I'm eat often. Like, I think quinoa carb is actually higher than rice. But how often am I gonna be eating quinoa? Probably every Sunday. But Raps. I'm gonna do raps. I'm gonna. All right, let me make sure I say this. This is what I want to do, guys. I want to do plant-based Monday to Friday. Weekend, I can eat fish. I'm trying to make sure I can get away with it. I can get away with it. That's what I'm doing. Weekend, seafood. Yeah. Whew. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So this video might be a little bit longer than most of the videos gonna be because this is the first day. Y'all gonna rock with me today. We about to go to church. I get a little 5 minutes to church, and I ain't give you all of it. That's my personal time. Stay out of my game room. That might be it though. I might not even record church. If y'all don't see church on this, you know what time it is. But y'all gonna get the second workout. So by the time you blink, we're gonna be doing the second workout. All right. About to go to church real quick. I might share it with y'all, but just show y'all, let y'all know that I clean up a little bit. Yes, sir. Clean up a little bit. What I gotta talk about? My diet. I didn't give y'all my whole diet. Let me put my seatbelt on, y'all. These new cars. Okay, as far as my diet, we're definitely gonna keep. We spoke about the rice and stuff already. We're definitely gonna keep sweets out of the diet for sure. No candy. No soda. When it comes to juice, I can take it out. It's not a biggie. But I'm gonna get smoothies and stuff, so I gotta alter. Okay, there we go. No juice. If I am drinking juice, it gotta be like smoothies or freshly made, like them juicers. Yeah, there you go, Lando. That's what it is. What else? Yeah, I'm trying to really focus on coconut water. If I could drink only coconut water, I'm straight. Right? But that's what it is, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of church. I ain't gonna give y'all much, maybe like a couple seconds. Then the next thing y'all probably gonna see is me do my last workout for the day. And I'm more than likely I'll be done left church already. Alright? Love will stand, and love will rise up, and you will go where God tells you to go, and you will do what God tells you to do, when God tells you to do it, for somebody else, because if you're wise, you will win souls, and you will shine like the stars in heaven. Somebody say, I see your shine coming on. I see your shine coming on. With seedless? Oh yeah, we ain't doing seedless. Some good plants. This is literally what I came here for. Good Scotch bonnet. Get a better pack. It's the real deal. Oh, pure cabbage. What? What'd you say? This good cabbage. This is my section right here, y'all. Oh, this is better right here. I had this, but I can put this back. This is better. Don't need this much. Might need to put this in the bag though. Good sea moss. Where you at? $97. We working, y'all. We work. Hold on, that's snapper. Snapper fillet. I don't know. That don't look right. Find my wife, y'all. We're gonna make us something today. Get some butter beans. Gonna just throw it in there with the cabbage. We cook cabbage today, y'all. Stay away from the processed stuff as much as possible. This probably will work. But let me see. I need some butter beans. She just over here. She just walked left me. This is why our basket like look healthy, don't it? Other than that. Ooh, I think I'm gonna try something today. I know what I'm gonna do. Y'all gonna see what's going on. Let me tell you, it's my seasoning right here, y'all. Maggie. They need to send me a promotion. Let me get an affiliate link or something, Maggie. And this is somebody curry, Blue Morton. My wife like, where is that? I don't even see it. I don't even see your seasoning.
I don't see it either.
That mean nobody using it. But yeah. All the Jamaican brands in here. Did you get the Scotch Bonnet? Nobody use it no more. We don't claim it anymore. What's she looking for? All right, come on. They ain't getting no allspice. We don't do allspice no more. That used to be my seasoning. You bought the all-purpose, right?
It's just what, black pepper?
It can be, but it's the pimento seeds. Or not, because it ain't got no grinder, so it's just pimento seeds. Hold it, you gave it to me. You looking at me crazy. You looking at where? Did you put the seasoning back?
So how come this is pimento seed and not allspice is just pimento seed?
Huh?
So what's the difference with your allspice that you bought?
It's black pepper. It's grinded up. That's the only difference. Pimento seeds is grinded. I mean, black pepper is grinded up black pimento seeds.
So it's better to use this one or that one?
I don't know. Don't have me lying to you.
So I should buy this one?
You're not gonna use it. No, don't buy that. Sure. We've been walking around in circles for how long? I ain't spending that much. That's not bad. All the stuff we picked up. See, plant-based is cheaper. Alright. One grocery store, on to the next one. Love your toes. Alright, y'all. Grocery store number 2. This is where we get the fruits from. You know, each grocery store we get different things from. We're gonna get some fruits right now. A little bit of a little bit of. Got an ambulance over there. I don't know what's going on.
Can we go get ice cream?
No. I can't eat ice cream.
The non-dairy one.
I can't eat ice cream. See, your spouse will have you fail. You gotta be strong, fellas. And ladies too.
I have branding on the skill.
Where you going? Nigga, you holding up traffic. I might try this out, y'all. So you got classic mint, and it's gluten free. Alright, we're gonna get some rice cakes, y'all. Hey, these things be busting. Don't hate. We don't want the chocolate though. We want the cinnamon. I'll get this one for right now. Sure, get the Publix brand. See? Look at the calories. 50.
See what the Publix brand say. 40, salt free. We don't want that. Hey, we already going through it. Come on now.
Okay.
Light salt.
They say 35.
I'm gonna get this for
This right here is for a little bit of enjoyment. Chocolate won't be good.
Y'all see what's missing? I needed the cinnamon.
Here's how I run to y'all. Damn, you loaded up already. Come on now. You gotta do better than this. Come on. We don't eat that.
Angel said she wanted, so it's buy two, get one free.
You see, y'all see the difference. We know who the healthy person in the house, right? Good old banana. I love banana, but you know, banana high in carbs. I need to get some, hold up, I get some pear. Hold up. Get a bag. Apple, y'all. So those were for you. So you telling me you lied?
No.
It's on camera. You said it was for Angel. Look at our basket, y'all. We looking healthy, right? Anything in here that's not healthy, we know they're not mine. Right there, them Doritos, not mine.
I'm making our wraps.
Well, that's tuna fish. This tuna fish we get, y'all. Thing that my wife bougie. Thing $7. $7.
Which one is on?
All of them $7. That's $8.99.
And
Okay.
the spring water is the $8.99 one. I'm gonna
The
get
what?
this one.
bougie people tuna
The
fish, y'all.
This one is $8.99. I'm gonna just get this one.
Bougie people shit. This is what I get right here, y'all. When I'm on the road,
$1. 16 gram protein.
we out here. We good. We good. But I don't need it right now.
I'm trying to.
$184. Don't even know what we spent it on. My bill was better. First store was better. What's up, people? Okay, we done ate dinner. I got in my second workout. I'm gonna do that after I read 10 pages. The book is probably 20 pages, so it's 2 days right here, maybe. Yeah, that's what it's called. Hung by the tongue. Day one, y'all. Day one. My last workout of the day. Really, I'm just walking. We walking. Got my wife with me. We're not gonna run. We're just gonna walk for 45 minutes, right? As long as you're moving, right? That's the goal. As long as you're moving. One thing I have left is the book. I started the book, but my wife was ready to go walk, so I said, I'll finish it later. I read like 2 pages. That's nothing. So day one is in the book. It's in the books. All I gotta do is take a picture, read my 10 pages. I'm just doing day one. It's not gonna be like this every week where I'm filming each day. No. Like the next video after this is probably gonna be the end of the week. Me talking about week 1. Then after that, week 2. Or I might even wait 2 weeks. Nah, I'll probably tell you about week 1, tell you how it is. But yeah, that's what it is, man. We out here. We walking. And what I mean, if my wife out here looking like the Taliban. Is that offensive? If it is, my apologies. It didn't come from an offensive place. But Yeah. She out here wrapped up. You would thought it was cold out here. I don't have on a jacket. Let me show y'all. Hold on.
I don't care. I have a cold. I don't care.
Well, it's not even cold.
I'm protecting you.
Which way we walking? Are they playing some soccer? Okay, I see y'all. Oh man, running, huh? I should have came out here. I feel like I want to go running. Taliban. Oh my gosh, yo.
Ah,
Well, they had soccer practice.
I don't feel not a bit of cold air hitting my face or nothing.
All right. Never read this book, but I heard a lot about it. I referred it to a lot of people, and I never read it. I gave it to my daughter, my nephew, a whole bunch of mentee, but I do know a lot of the principles that come out of this. A lot of people that preach the principles that come out of this. As soon as you come in, he already got my attention. First thing it says. Can you read that? I don't even know if y'all can see it, but it says, for Bible teaching seminars, books, and tapes, contact. Tell you who to contact. So I already know. I already know this coming out straight out of the book, the good book, you know. But yeah, we're gonna tap in. I'm gonna tell y'all about it. What 10 pages of light. What it's all about.